Sometimes a girl just needs to freshen up her lipstick. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo, AhhhsoNeo. Welcome back. I hope you can see me just fine. Guys, I did my wish list. I will link it down below. And I put on there that I wanted some couple of stuff, and I am so happy to be able to do this. My very first luxury unboxing of 2019, and I have something off my wish list. So excited. If you would like to find out what I picked up, and I've already added to my 2019 wish list visualization, making it happen in my life, watch this video so you can see what is coming next. This is a true unboxing. Yes, I have done the top of the box, but I have not taken the items out at all. This is a true unboxing. I'm really excited. I have seen this item in real life, IRL, but that was at the store. I'm seeing it for me for the first time out of this box. So yes, I'm so excited. Who am I? Hi, my name is Neo. This is my lovely channel here, my part of the YouTube space. And I cover a little bit of luxury, I cover a little bit of makeup, I try to cover a little bit of everything, and I love doing unboxing videos because hopefully I'm sharing my joy. Hopefully it's not being taken as me bragging, because I'm not, but I'm not. I'm not. But I do really like to share my joy, and you know, I've been watching Marie Kondo, guys, and some of these things spark joy. Lots of things spark joy I've discovered. But anyway, so I do love to do luxury unboxings, and I'm actually quite happy to be doing my first luxury unboxing for 2019. And it's nothing too extravagant. I'm easing my way into that 2019 wish list, but I am so happy that you decided to join me to see what I got. So first we gotta take care of business. If you are new here, watch me decide if you like my personality, my videos, my sense of humor, my face, I don't know, whatever it is. If you do, I would absolutely love it if you could hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I post, and you can come back and check me out again and again and again. If you have a similar channel or any channel and you'd like to for me to check you out, leave that comment down below. I will be more than happy to do that too, because I love finding people on YouTube, guys. I love YouTube. It's completely taken over TV for me, except for Netflix, and I take that back when Game of Thrones come back, because I am here for it. But as always, I am digressing because I talk too much. Let us get to the box. Okay, so you guys know it's Louis Vuitton. First of all, the thumbnail probably said that. And second of all, half of my wish list was Louis Vuitton. And I am a little bit obsessed with the type of item I'm about to take out of this box. Hi Larissa, I went back to my favorite Louis Vuitton sales associate, and she's put goodies in this box, guys. First, it's the catalog. Oh, and the catalog has stickers. It does have stickers. Woohoo! Okay, I have my Louis Vuitton agendas, and I bought my planner inserts for the 2019 Louis Vuitton agenda. That came with some stickers. I got some things from Chanel in the box back there in the Christmas packaging, and that has stickers too. And now I have the catagram stickers too. I have to admit, I'm not a fan of these stupid cats. This was not my favorite Louis Vuitton collaboration. I get it, some people loved it. I'm not a cat person, I'm not a dog person. Just, yeah. But I'm really happy to have this catalog. I was kind of looking forward to this. And I say this, okay, I'm really like today, but okay, sorry, bear with me. And I just don't go in store anymore. It's very rare that I go in store unless I have a very specific need. I have recently met someone here in the Phoenix, Scottsdale area where I live, but we're getting there. We're working on it. We're building that relationship. I might not need it because I have Larissa, who is sending me gifts. Although to get catalogs I need it. But what did you do? Oh. Dear Neo, Happy New Year. Hope you love your new Bandeau. Talk to you soon. Oh, Larissa, you're always a sweetheart. My receipt. This is the, I haven't said that yet. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Since I said with the card, hope you enjoy your new bandeau, then you know it's a new bandeau. And, oh, she sent even more gifts. Perfume samples. Oh, thank you, lovely. What is this? Ooh, the new ones too. Perfect. I love that. That is really lovely. Decorative packaging. Yes, yes, yes. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. It is the new bandeau. So on my wish list, I said I wanted the piggy. And I did. And I went and I looked at it in store. And I thought they were all very cute. And I'm still considering them because I see they're still available. But there was another bandeau that caught my heart. So I have this thing I'm doing this year. Actually, I've done it the last couple of years. I don't know if you can see my necklace. It's a silver necklace and it says love. I'm bringing love to me. I want love around me in all shapes and sizes. And so as much as I loved the horoscope superstition bandeau, I believe it's called, when I saw this beauty, I believe the Folie something, I don't know, I knew I had to have it. All these little hearts, all these little hearts and roses. I'm bringing love to me, guys. So yes, so I know everybody is going crazy over the superstition bandeau with the cute little piggies and it comes in pink and all of that. I love it. But I think I made the right choice. I know I made the right choice. Oh, I love this. I can't wait to wear it. It's got a touch of gray on it too, so I can use it with some gray things, some pink things, a little bit of white. It's like a bluish gray. I actually think it'll look pretty good on that. Yep. Thanks, Larissa. You're always a sweetheart. I love working with you. I think I need the bigger one, the big square of this. Maybe I should do a new wish list. So thanks, guys. If you'd like to see an updated bandeau collection video, I added this. And I added the blue Paris ones. I forget what those ones are called, but it's the one with the Eiffel Tower. I think I've also sold one. Yeah. Actually, yeah, I'm working on that. I'm working on putting together a new collection, bandeau collection video. So I hope you guys can join me when I come back with that. And that's it. Short, sweet, straight to the point, which yep, kind of rare for me, but here we go. Thank you so much for watching. This is Neo of AhhhsoNeo. Now is the time to hit that subscribe button if you're still waiting. What are you waiting for? Hit it now. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, the same spiel at the end. Choose happiness every moment, every day, every decision. Always choose happiness. It's a decision. It's a hard decision, but it's a decision that you can make. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah. Love you.